Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is Weekly Contest 233. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. We have about 45 seconds to go before the contest. I've been sloppy lately. It's kind of funny because the earlier contest, I did really well already quickly, Q3 and Q4, but I messed up Q2 and Q1. So hopefully this contest, my focus is to slow it down again. I've been rushing it a little bit. And I've been eating penalties a lot. So slow it down, try to make sure it's right, and just let things go. But I would say recently I've been having fun again doing these contests. So let's hope to carry it a little bit forward, even if the results are a little bit below what I would like. But yeah, good luck everybody, or whatever. Yep, 3, 2, 1, go! Spent too long clicking, to be honest. Oh, my computer's a little bit slow. That's not great. Is it strictly ascending? Yes, strictly. Okay. This is on Leetcode, I think, but okay. There's a lot of reading there. I mean, this was on binary search, I think. Price, amount, order type. This example is fine, but yeah, okay. Which one is buy? 0 is buy. What do we return? placing orders from the input. Okay. Also mod, I have to remember to mod. This is okay. Something like that. Oh man. Did I misunderstood the problem? Oh. I think I was thinking about the other problem. Let's see. Yeah, I just have to add these. So I didn't need this executed then. It's fine, I keep it in there. For price amount in buy plus sell. Whatever, let's just do it this way. Leftover amount. $6.84. Okay, that looks good. Huh, maybe I misunderstood this farm. I thought I was good. I rushed it a little bit, maybe. Let's see. How do I get 66 or 22? I misunderstood this. Why do I have 66? This is buy, this is sell. Did I mess up somewhere? Oh, I messed up. Copy and paste. Okay, that is just silly. This is what happens when you copy and paste and or mentally, and then you messed up. Silly. Okay, that was dumb. Okay, so yeah. Length is n. Where I is, okay, so the thing is less than I, and the adjacent value is 1, okay. I mean, so this is always going to be true anyway, as long as it's positive. The sum of the nums of index is maximized. Okay. Index is 2. I mean, this is just math, but it's really annoying math. Math and maybe binary search. Yeah, maybe I'll come back to it. Let's see if there's a real problem. Them with nice pairs. Yeah, it's gonna be a try problem. Maybe. I mean, this is not that bad because you can just do the high and then, okay, I think I got it. Because you do a try on the high and then you do the try on the thing. Okay. Okay, I think I got it, but it's annoying. Okay. I'm surprised 2 people got it already. It's maybe not. I don't know. I don't want to do this. Maybe no. What am I doing? I hope this is fast enough because I had issues with that earlier. Okay, and then now for x and nums. Okay, so okay. Okay. So inclusive. Okay, for x and nums. How do I add? Maybe I'll separate it out. So we want the most significant bits first. What is 2 times 10 to the... So that's what? 2 to the 13? Nope. 2 to the 15? To the 15 is fine. Let's do 16. Yeah, okay. Now let's go to maybe okay. You go no. Okay. That should be roughly it. And then count. Oh. How many people have gotten this yet? Okay. Doing okay so far. Could have been faster in Q2, or not the wrong answer. I have to save a thing. And also this is wrong, I think. But if now in current 1, and then also maybe okay. This is annoying to think about, but it's fine. So basically we want to match so that's the first bit is one, like if I now okay, if now is equal to 1, it's just case analysis. High now is equal to 1, then high now is equal to 0. Then we return count because everything is going to be small. No, is that true? Oh, what am I thinking? Okay, think. Let's have something like this, and then the high is something like this. What happens, right? Well, then we want to bring it to 0. So if now is now, if high now is equal to 0, then we want to make it 0. So we want to go down the 1. Okay. And we want to add the other one because wait, what? Do we? Because if this is 0, then we want to make it a 0. But then the 1 doesn't, we don't care about the 1s. Okay, fine. Else, we want to go down to 0. Because if high now is equal to 1, if this is 1, we're good. But then we also count is equal to current attributes dot count. Okay. Because we want to add the other side. Okay. And then else if now is 0, if now is equal to 0. So they're both zeros. So we ignore if they're both zeros, then we want a 0. And we ignore the other one, but then here that could be a dangerous typo, but is this it? Maybe, but not yet. Oh, yeah, where am I? I need to do some checks. Yeah, okay. If one not in current, we return count, I think. Oh wait, this is actually awkward. I think I will return the other one. Like, cause if 1 is 1 and this is 0, then we want to include all the other. Okay, yes. Oops. Yeah. If 1 in current edge. There's no more path to go down. Okay. If 0 not in edge, return count. If 0 not oh, whoops. Yeah. Really sloppy today on all these things. Node is not irritable. Where am I doing that? 17. Oh. I'm missing a lot. Oh, I don't return the answer there. Where's my add? Oops. 4 and 8, is that right? Nope. 6 and 8. Let's print it out real quick. Oops. Uh, 4 and 0, so that's already wrong. Oh wait, no, that's so we want a 6, right? So that's definitely wrong. Because we eliminate something, but that's unfortunate. I mean, I think the logic is right. I'm just doing something weird, maybe. I think I'm undercounting, but I can't really prove it easily. I mean, I'm definitely undercounting because this should be at least 6, right? And there's only, is there a case you can get it 2? No, because this is all, yeah. Okay, so 1, 4 to 7. Wait, what? Oh, I was looking at the wrong one. Okay. Oh wait, no, I'm looking at the right one. This is gonna be a sad day. Okay. We're looking at the first problem. Okay. Yes. So we want to look at this 6, and why we're not returning more. And we do it. We call it twice because we print it twice. That's why it's a little confusing. Okay. So 1, 6. Yeah. This is okay. This one maybe okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. This one is not okay. Because this is at least 2. Why is this wrong? So, okay. That's annoying. Let's see if I see anything obvious. No, I mean, I don't think so, but I could be wrong. Yeah, okay, there's So we go 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That makes sense so far. All the way down to what was the 4, 6, and 1? 4, 6. So we want to do the 4. Do I have to sort it? I don't think sorting matters in this case. But the 2. So why not? That would be magic if that suddenly works. Yep, still wrong. I didn't expect that to matter, to be honest. Because it's XOR. Alright. Okay, so the 2 is here. And the magic is starting here, I think. That's out of count. Debugging on this is murder. So we want here. Oh, 2 only found 1, but so the second index only found 1 number, but it should have 2 number. Do I miscount? I misunderstood the output for a second. So it's missing 1 number. It goes all the way to. Yeah, this is the first part where it's tricky, where the now is a 0 and high number is equal to 1. So that means that we want to we want to add everything in a 0 path. Okay. And also I'm not sure that this is not double counting, to be honest. But we want to add everything to the 0 path. And then I think at the very end I'm missing off by 1 maybe. So that looks good maybe. And we add the 2. So then the next one we go to the 1. The 4, what is the 4 doing? So it is going to the 1, and then it is going to the 6, right? Oh, I see. So after. No, that's not right. No, it's fine. Maybe. So it what is this 1 represent? What does this 1 represent? Goes to the 1. I have to think about it. We have our tree looks something like this. We have a 4 and we have a 1. And then when we add a 2, we want to match this. We have a 2, so it's this. And then what happens? So we have a 1. Oh, we have a 0 and a 1, so then we add this part, that's good. And then we follow the one path. And then now, we already accounted for this. But if this is a 1, and then this is a 0, we return count here early. Is that true? Because V1 is 0. Okay, so we do here. Right. And we don't early because we do have an edge at... No, wait, what? Yeah, no. We do follow this, and then we have 0, 0. And 0, 0. We have here. And then we have this thing. And then now we're at the very end and we don't count for that reason. Huh. How do I adjust for this particular piece? Maybe something like that. Am I really just that sloppy? 6, 8. Answer matches. I always spend a lot of time debugging, so I might as well just YOLO submit it. Because if it's wrong, then we get an answer. Yikes. Hopefully it's not time limited, because it shouldn't be that time limited. But maybe I'm... Okay, good. So I had a minor type... Oh, I just didn't think it through all the way. Now we have to think about Q3. My ranking is pretty slow, but I am one of the few people who's getting Q4. So okay, let's think about this. This is a weird math problem I'm annoyed about. Maybe not annoyed about per se, just I'm bad at it. Okay. Can we do binary search on this? I feel like it's binary search, but this part is tricky. What does it mean, right? That means the left, let's say we want to try an answer. That means that the left Yeah, I spent way too long in Q4. I don't know how to do this one. So you have a step function. I need paper. Okay. 6, 10, 11, we have six numbers. So you have to start with oh, I misread this. I thought this was constrained by I. No, numbers of I can be anything. Oh, then this is much different than what I was thinking. Okay, I totally misread this. Because it doesn't have to start with 1 or... I think for some reason I thought you have to start with 1. So then now we can do a binary search much easier that way. Okay. Maybe? So we have a still. How do I? Okay, that's. Maybe I still need a paper because I'm bad at this math. So, and this should have been a tip away because the index one. So, let's see next. Does 3 look like? What does 3 look like? Right. Okay. Num sub I has to be a positive number, so it's at least 1. But it could actually. So we just have. Okay. So it is binary search, I think. So you just have decrementing all the way to 1 on the left and the right, and then okay, and all the way to 1's left. Is that good enough? I also, for some reason, thought that this has to be 1 and not 0 or 1. So I was thinking about step let. I should stop explaining this stuff to farm. But okay, the n is in sight then. Okay, so. It has to be positive. I messed that up before. 10 say. If this, we want the maximum, so if this is good, then we want left is equal to mid, else right is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, and then okay, so left is equal to index and right is equal to n minus index minus 1. What is good, right? So target on the left side is going to be the math is hard, so it's something like is it plus 1 or minus 1? I always forget which one it is. 5 times no, it's minus 1. Let's just add a function. This is such an annoying problem. But a lot of people got it, so. Okay. So this is if we have 0 numbers, then this is just 0 on the left. Okay, that makes sense. Poop. What happens if this is 0? Okay. Okay, well, let's just say, so we have to go from right minus, so right is the number of items. Okay. Now is that, yeah, okay. Okay. I don't know. This is okay. So if left sum plus right sum plus extra, and I might be off by 1. If this is greater than max sum, if this is the minimal thing, then we return false. Otherwise, we return true, maybe, because if it's, so we can always go up. Maybe I'm off by 1 though. I don't know. This is so awkward. I don't think. I mean, this is still not right, but 20 left C, right C, extra. Okay, let's at least take a quick look. These numbers are ridiculously big, so let's do a for loop to C, to C, to C. Okay, so if the max number is 1, the left C is -1, which is probably not what we want. What are the inputs? So for index 2 and max of 6, if the first number is 1, then maybe this is, then we have 2 numbers on the left. And we want this to, that means that we want this to be 0. So this means this should not be -1 for sure. I mean, that's just awkward, but if this is 1, this should ideally return 4, but I return -1, so that's awkward. What is the okay, so if I can't focus, this is tough. Okay, so let's say that we're index 2, the two numbers to the left, we start at 1. So this actually should return 0 numbers. So how do I force? So this is t. So how do I force that to be 0? So t. So t. Because extra would be, what is this? 2 minus 1. Two numbers on the left, minus 1. So this is actually this. And then now we want to go to, what is the starting point, Larry? Starting point is t minus the number of steps to get to 1. So it's t minus left plus 1 maybe. So if left, why am I so bad at counting? Okay. So if t is 1, then we want to go 0 steps to the left. So actually we want the min of this and t minus. Why am I so bad at this? Okay. So, okay, so let's say we're at 1. Why am I so bad at this? We're at 1, so then we want to use 0 numbers. So, okay, so it's t minus this thing. Maybe? Okay, I mean, this is better, but the extra stuff is wrong, clearly. I wonder how that happened, but got the wrong answer because that's just weird. Okay. So 1, 2. What is the 2? Just for symmetry, maybe. But that still should be wrong, yeah. Okay, so now we're counting nothing. Because, this, okay, so... No, I think that's why I had this. I already had the t minus left. Okay, so the starting point is t minus left or 1. Right? Yes. Why is this wrong? Larry. Because... Okay. This part is right, the extra is now wrong, maybe. Well, definitely, but why is extra wrong? So in that case, you have t minus left. So you have left numbers in the right? Okay, so if left is 0, then this is awkward. It's actually really awkward. Why am I so bad at this? If left... Maybe this was right all along. Nope. So if left is 0, then we want this to be... we want this to be at least 1, maybe? Yeah. If there's no numbers to the left, then this should net out to 0. So left is equal to 0, so that's t, and this should be 0. Why is this? Oh no, because left is not equal to 0. So we should go. So this. So if left is 1, we go from 4 to. Okay, no, this should be right. Why am I getting -1 here? -1 is here only if this is t. What? Oh, I'm really bad at this. Left is 1, then this would be 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. Why is this -1 then? Do I print something else anywhere? Because I get confused. No? Let's just do it. Because I am just very confused. Oh, what? Oh, that's why, because I'm dumb. Yes. Hehe, okay. I had to dumb it down for myself and print out everything literally. Okay, so this is better, and also this has the same issue. That's why. I mean, it may still be wrong, but it should be slightly better. 3 and 4 still. Okay. So this is now slightly better. Okay. So 1, we get the total sum of 3. Is that even right? It's an array of 4 elements, so the answer should be 4. So this should be this plus t, actually. Oops, no, plus t is here. Okay, 2, 3, okay. I can't believe I don't know if this is right, but it's gonna take me a long time to debug anyway, so I'm gonna YOLO submit. Okay, good. Oh my, so much silly. Like a lot of silliness. I guess top 100 maybe, but I'm gonna get a 5-minute penalty. I really should have gone Q3 faster. You saw my struggle. I mean, I knew, well, I misread it a little bit, but I also just so bad at thinking it through. But actually, I was right. I think that's why I struggled. It's just that I confused min and max because I was too clever. Yeah, oh, congrats to Save VMK and a bunch of people. Let's see. I really should have done it faster though. I was a mess in this one. This 5-minute penalty, but yeah. Q4 was pretty okay. But Q3 was the one that I don't know. I think it's also, to be honest, maybe one of the lessons that you have to be better at about, and I clearly wasn't, is that you have to keep your composure. I did not. You can see that. You saw that here. I keep on telling myself that I couldn't do it, and I keep on messing up. And actually, to be honest, like looking back, I had everything right. The only thing that was wrong was I confused min and max, but because I didn't trust myself that much for that problem, because I know that I'm bad at these kind of problems, to be honest, and I know that. But on top of that, I beat myself up a little bit more than I should have, so then I just didn't even focus on the implementation. Because I didn't trust myself, I didn't trust the math, then the implementation was where it had issues, but I usually usually my implementation is better, so I trust implementation better than the math, and that's where I spend way too much time. Okay. I mean, this is probably a decent result. I probably could have put in a little bit faster, but I have no regrets. Oh, it went up. Because I guess, wow, I was 80th without Q3. But, okay. But either way, there's still a couple of minutes of penalties, so we'll see. But yeah, yeah. I thought, I mean, then I definitely did okay. I mean, I probably could have done better, but I just had mental blocks. And this 5 minutes was a little bit silly. I knew the answer, and I still took too long because I don't know, mental silliness. Q4, again, yeah, I also had, man, I keep saying that I was confident in implementation, but both Q3 and Q4, I had the right ideas, and Q2, I mean, I had a typo in the implementation. But Q4, I had a, like, it, you know, debugging is very costly, as you saw. Q4, I ate it. Yeah, I mean, Q4, I really just took a long time as a result. Of a silly thing that I actually was thinking about during the contest, but I just didn't, or I didn't recognize it enough until the end of the problem. Yeah, okay. That's all I have for this contest. See y'all next week. Hope y'all have a great week. Take care of yourself. Take care of others if you're fortunate enough. Stay good, stay healthy, stay well, and to good mental health. I'll see y'all next week or whenever you want to see me. Bye bye.